What is the number one reason why home sales fail in today's marketplace? Hey, real estate friends, what's going on? It's Mike Gold here with RE/MAX Alliance. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's blog post. I want to highlight the number one reason why a home sale fails and what you as a home seller can do to prevent that problem from happening to you. Guess what it is? It's the home inspection. Home inspector finds a problem with the house, and A, the home buyer just is not comfortable with the issues that are uncovered, or B, even if the issues can be fixed, they're not even interested in moving forward because now this home that they had so much emotional attachment to has something wrong with it, and they just can't seem to look past that. So what can you do as a home seller to prevent that? And that is to hire a home inspector and do a pre-inspection, which is what we do for all of our home sellers. But here are the main reasons why we do that to ensure a successful home sale. First, it will allow you, the seller, to uncover any potential defects or pitfalls about the home and ensure that you are properly filling out your seller's property disclosure to avoid any potential legal or litigations in the future, or that being after the home sale. Two, it allows you to actually make repairs in advance, so that way when the home buyer elects to do their own inspection or potentially use the home inspection provided from your listing agent or us, it will allow the buyer to understand the problems that were in the home and ultimately what you've already done to correct those. Three is it also provides credibility and trust with the buyer that you're working with. It allows them to see that you're being completely transparent with the condition of your home and even going to great lengths to ensure that they know that the condition of the home is as good as you can possibly provide it to them. Point number four is that it actually increases your home attractiveness to the potential buyer. If they're going to be weighing your home versus another house and you have provided a seller pre-inspection, that is going to provide that buyer, again, more certainty and understanding that they can move forward with your home because any potential issues have already been uncovered, disclosed, and ideally corrected. Point number five, and this is absolutely the best one because it still can happen in today's marketplace, and that is to obtain a multiple offer situation that removes any sort of inspection components to it, or at least lessens the language that is provided in most contracts. Let me unpack that a little bit more. So if you have multiple offers coming in and you provide that pre-inspection to your group of would-be buyers, it's going to allow them to readdress their offer and potentially remove an provision within their contract, or ultimately write just a health and safety aspect to that. Because again, the home is ideally viewed by a home inspector and even better, potentially fixed. Again, it's Mike Gold here with RE/MAX Alliance. If you're thinking about putting your home onto the marketplace, contact me at the information below. I'll let you know how we not only utilize a pre-inspection, but also a home pricing plan and marketing and media plan to ensure that your home sale process is as easy as it possibly can be. Until next time.